Hi guys and welcome. Let's make a 2-ingredient chocolate cake. I know what you're thinking, that's impossible, but I'm here to show you that it's not. You want to start by separating 4 eggs, being careful not to let any of the yolk in with the whites, otherwise you won't be able to beat these to soft peaks. If you're worried about getting this part wrong, use another bowl to separate each egg white into it and then place it into the bigger bowl. Set the egg yolks aside and let's whip these egg whites up to soft peaks. If you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for stopping by. Please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This is absolutely perfect. Now you can set these egg whites aside, and now let's chop up 225 grams of milk chocolate. I prefer milk chocolate because you don't have to add any sugar to this recipe. Now you just want to melt this in the microwave at 30-second bursts until smooth. Add the egg yolks one at a time and mix between each addition. The chocolate is warm, so you don't want the egg yolks to cook, so mix really quickly. Otherwise you'll end up with scrambled eggs and chocolate, and frankly that's just gross. The mixture should look smooth and glossy just like this. That's absolutely perfect. Now we're just going to fold the egg whites in 3 parts. Make sure you fold the egg whites in and don't mix them in. You don't want to beat out all that air that we incorporated into the egg whites in the beginning. Folding will ensure that you get a light textured cake. If you mix instead of fold, you'll end up with a dense pancake, and trust me, that's not what you want here. It won't rise and give us that beautiful airy texture. Be careful not to overmix this either. When you can only see a couple of white specks, then just stop. And that's it. This is properly mixed and we are ready to bake. Now you just want to pour the mixture into a parchment lined 8-inch cake tin with a removable base. Bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. An inserted toothpick should come out clean. Allow the cake to cool completely and then slice and serve. At this point you'll notice that the cake may drop slightly, but that's perfectly fine. There's no flour in it to help keep its shape. Serve this cake with strawberry coulis and ice cream or fresh cream or both. That's entirely up to you. But this cake looks amazing. When you cut into it, it's so soft and delicious. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't done so already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Much love and have a good one. Bye!